Hi, I'm Rev Kyra Baehr with Unity Bay Area, Houston. And I want to ask, are you feeling the heat? Feeling the heat this summer? Truly, it's the heat of transformation that we're in the midst of. We're in very transformative times. And as it heats up, it releases old energy, old karma, old experiences and emotions out of us that we can be free and clear to come to a place of living authentically in a divine space, in a space of knowing our true Christ consciousness, our divine self, our presence, whatever name you want to give to it. I'm here with my friends, the archangels and ascended masters, but truly I'm here with the inner awareness of that life and experience of the divine in all of life, the sacredness of everything. When I feel the heat of transformation in myself, I let go. I allow the divine to move those energies so that I can be fully present to me and to you. As I learn to do that and let go and let God be God in me, then all of a sudden I find I can make those connections that I've so desired and longed for. This is true for all of us. We long to feel connected with God, to feel connected with one another. And the way we get there is we actually feel the heat as it rises. We allow it to steam us out and free us from the bonds of ways we've been and ways that we've communicated or ways we've withheld ourselves. We've not felt safe to be who we are. Well, it's time. Be you. Be authentically you. Feel the heat and let's make the connections. You're going to find some amazing ways to make connections at Unity Bay Area, Houston. Join us first this Sunday at 10:30 a.m. for Sunday service. We have wonderful music with Ellen Rogers and Patty Rabaza and Ken Cluck. And we also have a wonderful time getting to know each other better and really exploring our divine awareness. God bless you. Have a great time. Let's make connections today and this weekend.